अमान मुबाहिसे में खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Food production, help keep supply chains open and address blockages. Mobilize financial and agricultural resources to where they are needed, help poor farmers expand local production, and much more. Pakistan looks forward to playing its part, its active part, in this bold call to action. We also look to the United Nations to provide the leadership to address the root causes of food insecurity and conflict. Mr. President, the people of Ukraine go hungry due to the ongoing conflict. 95% of the people of Afghanistan are under the threat of poverty as a direct result of conflict. The people of occupied territories in Palestine and Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir are constantly imprisoned by perpetual conflict. They are arbitrarily and inhumanely suffering from immense misery, including hunger. Kashmir has become a symbol of the dysfunction of this institution and this council. The actions of the 5th of August 2019 and the 5th of May 2022 by India in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is not only an assault on the people of Kashmir, but it is an assault on the United Nations, it is an assault on the Security Council and its resolutions, and the 4th Geneva Convention. The inaction of this body as the internationally recognized disputed status of the region is undermined, the inaction of this forum while the Muslim majority of Kashmir are being turned into a minority in their own land, in their own home, leads the youth of Kashmir to question that who will resolve this conflict, who will deliver the peace they were promised. We challenge those that worry about food security. Resolve the Kashmir dispute. Open the doors to peace in South Asia. And watch how the farmers of Pakistan and India can feed the world.
न्यूयॉर्क से आप बराह रास्त मुलाहिजा कर रहे हैं। बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी बतौर वज़ीर ख़ारजा अमन व सलामती मुबाहिसे में खिताब कर रहे हैं। उनका कहना है